Yeah. So FedEx, I mentioned on the show about a week ago, this stock's getting too cheap. I picked it up just over 200 a share, which is 10 times earnings. So that stock is, forget about it being down from 365, but at 10 times earnings with limited exposure to Russia, and they pass on their fuel costs. They get surcharges also for labor costs. So you just can't buy a company like FedEx in what's basically a duopoly and at 10 times earnings, given their growth. And so the issues they had were behind it. Don't forget they don't do business with Amazon anymore. So they freed up all that capacity for higher paying freight, higher paying companies. So that's why I bought FedEx. It was, in my view, a once in a lifetime price. So immediately made it a core position. So I like FedEx quite a bit. In terms of XPO, sorry, go ahead.
I just want to bounce ahead. I mean, XPO, you're staying in it. That's what I need to know, and then I need to ask you another question.
I added, and let me just say this, if I can, Scott. Brad Jacobs, I also said a week ago on the show, is the most underrated CEO in the entire S&P. Don't forget, he invented United Rental. He founded that. He founded the precursor to waste management. Right? And then he created this tremendous shareholder value by spinning out GXO last summer. Now he's spinning out the most technologically advanced freight company in terms of brokerage and selling an asset in Europe. So I'm emailing him yesterday. I said, hey, congratulations after the news. And by the way, I bought more on the print as soon as the news hit. And I said, glad you continue to create shareholder value. And he responded, and I hope I'm not talking out of school, he responded, Number 1, 2, and 3 priority are shareholder value, shareholder value, shareholder value. And he being such a large shareholder, you can believe it. So he should be in the Hall of Fame of CEOs. I think goes a lot higher. I saw one price target in XPO of $112 per share. So you've got tremendous upside there.
I hear you. We're seeing the stock push a 15% gain today on that move.